I'm cold, but it's okay. We have to do our chores. I got Jack out. Oh, there he is. Hello, Jack, my friend. What you been doing? All right. Gotta go feed everybody. You ready to eat? Always eating hay. That's all you do. Is there anything else you know how to do? I let you out and you still eat. I'll never get it. That's right, I will never understand you. Jack. Jack is free. Let him roam. Jack! Girls laying back in the sun. Y'all enjoying that sun? Everybody happy, they got their feed. They're almost out of feed. Gotta wait for it because they didn't have any available. And the girls, they got their hay and they're eating. Yeah, it's cold. But now, I go check and see if I have an egg. Hello. I just filled their bin full of food and their water. Yeah, so I'm coming in to see if I can find an egg. Yeah. I broke one, so I did have 6 eggs from them now. I only have 5. Let's see if they have any today. It's like it's really cold. I feel like that they don't lay. Okay, move. Gotta move. Move. Move, you guys. Move. If you come out, the cat and stuff will eat you. Alright. My hands are cold. Let me get me some gloves. I don't see anything. Look what I see. Uh-oh. You're gonna beat me up for that egg. You gotta let me have that egg. Don't you pick me. Don't you dare. Is that the only one in there? Yep. So, is it you the one who laid that egg? Is that why you're protecting it? I don't see it in this one. Nope. 1 egg a day. That's what I'm getting. But I'm proud of them. My girls. Good job, girls. Alright, let me see what else I got in here. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. I'm done. Thank you. Now hopefully I'll try not to break this one. I know y'all work really hard to lay that egg. I'll go get y'all some scratch feed. Yeah. Ooh. Never heard her do that one before. Make that noise. Look how big she is. All of them. What you doing? Hello. Right, let's go. Gotta go. Thanks, guys. I'll see you later. Look at those bellies on those girls. I want to see. Look how big her belly is. She's all hoppy, happy. Hoppy, happy. yeah, I put that up here. Gonna fill it. Look at her. I put the barrel there so they can jump all around it. And I'm hoping that when I fill that up, the cats will stay in there. Isn't that cool? Look how pretty. Big and fat. They should have babies in February. I'm looking forward to having her. I hope she has a female. Because she is such a sweetheart. I want her baby to be just like them. And look at Star. If you go back and you see when I first got her, and her brother and her mom, they were so bony, it was scary. Look at her now. She has bloomed, and I love her. And she knows it. Huh. I can't pet you because I got a phone in one hand and a picture in the other. You go play, girl. I like how she plays. I want to get more fun stuff for them to play on. My back is killing me. That's so cute. I love to see them play. It's almost like watching kids playing in the playground. I love it. But I got chili on the stove. I got a 17-year-old girl waiting to hit that chili and myself. So I'm going in. Been very busy today doing videos of my other channel for jewelry and other unboxing stuff. So go check that out and help me grow. Look at them kissing each other. That is so adorable. That's so cute. Guys, y'all keep doing cute stuff. I can't go in. Y'all so cute. Look at this precious thing. Adorable. Everybody needs to be happy like they are. Just doing little playful things. That's all they need. She's gonna lay down on it, aren't you? Mr. Fluffer. She's so fluffy. That's funny. Like a bull. Yeah, and that's the one I'm gonna fix too, this one down here. I gotta fix the back and everything. And just fill it with something so I don't know what animal can sleep in it, but somebody can. Honey bunny, are you being silly? Gosh, the baby can fit in it. So maybe I'll fill it up for her. Woo! She can't get up there. All that wood I collected. That's so crazy. Y'all are so silly. Love breaks my heart because she'll come in and hang out with me and stuff. She always wants to be inside. It's like she's a little inside pet. But I can't let her in because if she tinkles or poos,